In order to shorten the URL of your Shopify product, the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Shopify account and make sure you go to the dashboard. Afterwards, please go to the left menu and select on this option that says products. Once you're over here, find the product that you want to shrink or shorten the link to. So let's go ahead and select on this product right over here. So just select on your product. And now all you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see this option that says search engine listing. Then you want to press on this option that says edit. And then afterwards, you're able to go ahead and scroll down until you see URL handle. And over here, it is going to give you the link. And basically what you're able to do is that you're able to change this part of the link. So as you're able to tell right now, it is a little bit long at the moment. So it says video promotion services, but we can go ahead and shorten it to like video, for example. So we can just delete all that and we're able to go ahead and basically shorten our URL. And you guys can go ahead and change it to your liking. Make sure that it is something that represents your product while at the same time it is shorter. But anyways, once you made the necessary changes, all you want to do is you want to go up here to where it says save and then click on save and then you'll be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.